today is really important. It's a massive opportunity to bring together people from a number of backgrounds, most importantly people with lived experience, but also some professionals, and try and make those connections so that we are starting to join the dots between those who provide the services and those who need them.
We've been in contact with Llais for the last couple of months. They've supported us with some of our events at the stadium, working with young people. We're really passionate about supporting young people's mental health and well-being, and I think they really aligned with what Llais were doing, and to be in an event like this to sort of spread what we're doing as an organisation and sort of highlight some of the work that we do, but the impact that we have on young people is really, really important.
Some young people feel unheard and feel that they aren't receiving the right support that's right for them. We recognise that there was a need for children and young people who were struggling to engage in solely talking therapies, those traditional therapies, and we wanted to develop the group as an alternative way to get involved in support and to be able to communicate and express themselves in that different way, and also to be able to experience peer support, share their experiences and their ideas and their struggles, and to get ideas from other young people as well.
Foster sister, nobody really understands me. Nobody ever understands what I'm going through. Nobody ever understands our problems ain't solved in foster care. They're there when you're in and then there when you're out.
I done a poem previously and Llais asked me to read it for other people. When I read the poem out, everybody kept saying, like, I'm sorry, I didn't know you were going through that much and whatever. Because I remember how much happy I am now than was before.
Shadows of the past haunt, following me, haunting me, it never fades.
So I think at that moment everybody knew, like, poems do help people to get, like, words out.
So I think people should really get involved with Llais, especially young people, because their voices are so important. Young people knowing what they find helpful, and they're the expert in their own experience, and being able to share that with a platform like Llais, who are able to take that voice even further, is really valuable.
You know, we find that across the community that voices don't tend to be heard, and I think Llais are really that organisation that will really sort of advocate for people within the community and support any issues that they may have. So I think it's invaluable to access an organisation like Llais.
We need to be listening to people with lived experiences of mental health issues if we're going to properly learn. I think it's really important that when we capture those voices, we demonstrate that we're listening, we give the feedback to people, and we tell people that we're actually making a difference because of that feedback.
I see it all, I see it now. I got